Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying firmware and battery, because the noise cancel algorithms need updated code and stable power to perform. Once done, pair the transmitters to the receiver and position the lav or clip mic about 6-12 inches from the speaker for best capture. Then connect the receiver to your camera or phone and open the DJI Mic 2 app or device settings to reach the noise cancellation controls. This gets you to the controls you will adjust next. Now you select noise cancellation and pick an initial mode, auto if you want adaptive filtering, or low/medium/high depending on the environment. Make sure to reduce mic gain a bit when using stronger cancellation to avoid distortion. Conversely, increase gain in quiet rooms to maintain presence. Also enable wind reduction if outdoors, because the algorithm and mechanical wind filter work together. Use headphones and live monitoring to listen for artifacts. If speech sounds muffled, back off one level and recheck. Finish by locking your chosen noise cancel level and recording a short test clip at the distance you will use during shooting to confirm clarity and natural timbre. If you hear artifacts like pumping or warbling, make sure firmware is current, reduce cancellation one step, or move the mic slightly to reduce competing noise sources. Sometimes small placement changes solve it faster than aggressive processing. Finally, save or note the settings that worked so you can reproduce them next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.